Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to prepare a traditional meal, my favorite back in the day. So I have here the maize meal. This is a maize meal or maize flour, or you can call it corn flour, but the color is white. I have a pre-boiled lamb chop. I did it before. And I have here a tomato paste, which I'll use for frying my lamb chops, tomatoes chopped, and onions chopped nicely diced. And also in here I have garlic, and I have a garlic powder here. This is my favorite as well. I love garlic so much. All right, now what I'm going to do is to chop up my kale, or the kale. So this one is it's like the last ingredient to be added when I've already fried my lamb chops. So I'm gonna roughly chop these kale, and oh yeah, kale is very good. A lot of full of vitamin K, vitamin A. You need vegetable in your meal, so for it to be balanced and for you to be healthy, and also for you to keep that weight, to maintain that weight. So just roughly chop your kale. This is a green kale, just like this. So I'll show you step by step what I'm going to cook using that maize meal. In our country, back in Kenya, we call it ugali. You can look it up and you will find what I'm talking about. So my kale is done, just all roughly chopped. So I'm all ready set to go and start cooking. So everything is only how many ingredients? 1, 2, 3. That is for dinner, simple meal. So let's continue. You go to the fire there, start cooking. Now let's start cooking. So here I'm just boiling the water to prepare this ugali. This one. Over here, I want to fry the lamb chops. Simple, clear. So I have a confession to make. I don't have a proper cooking stick for my ugali, simply because I think it got lost somewhere. So anyway, this can do the job at the moment. And yeah, so let's see how we go. I was tempted to change the plans to cook rice, but no, I really miss ugali, so I have to stick to the plan. So we wait for this water to boil. This is about 3 cups. Yeah, 2.5 cups. It's enough. And over here, just waiting for. All right. Now I'll put my onions in here, plus the garlic all together. Easy peasy. And I'll use my grapeseed oil. It's very clear oil. Love it. Grapeseed oil, one of the best oils, preferably. Depends on what you like. You can use anything. But if you ask me, this is one of the healthiest oils around for frying anything. Okay, so as this one is boiling, I'll start with my lamb chops. It's good amount of oil, enough, and okay, put it back. So yeah, because I believe in cleaning as you go. So let it fry until golden brown, because already the meat here is cooked. So what we need is to make soup. Nice soup. And what I like the Himalayan salt. Look, I need to buy another one. This is almost finished. And my ginger here. And I need to add more each so that it boils quickly. So this meal is only 3 ingredients and it's very filling. This is full of starch, but it's good actually if you want to add weight. This is for adding weight, and also it's good for energy. So when you are stronger, you work more better. So keep on stirring your onions. I love the aroma of the ginger. Ginger is actually one of the inflammatory ingredients. It actually removes all the inflamed parts of the body, especially on your GI system. In your stomach, anywhere. So this one is still boiling. Keep on stirring. At this point I can add my garlic powder. Yeah, now it's becoming, I can see it's translucent. Now I can add my tomatoes. And let it cook for a while. So the next thing, after it's already fried, now I can just add a little bit of my tomato paste. Just like I've done like 5 spoons. That is enough. And then keep on stirring. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Keep on stirring like that. If you like to peel your tomatoes, it's alright, it's up to you. If you like to cook it like that, it's up to you. But I love it anyway, whichever way. You add your lamb chops, let it cook. So I added half a cup of water, just let it not stick and leave it to simmer for a while I cook the ugali. So for the ugali, it's very easy. So this is a maize meal. I believe it comes from South Africa. Yeah, 1 kg. Yeah, product. Yeah, of South Africa. At the moment, we can't get any product from our country. So this is as good as well, whatever. It's nice. Still serve the same purpose. All right. So here we go. So I let my water boil. The boiling point, 100 degrees or more. Previously, I reduced the heat because I was having keeping an eye on my lamb. So my lamb is going to reduce the heat on that side so that it just cooks slowly because it's already cooked. Now, for ugali, very simple. You just add in little by little and keep on stirring to make a thick, something like a dal. Yeah, I'm going to use this one because usually the kind of stick to use to make ugali, it has a flat base, just like a baseball bat, but small one, like, yeah. So I think it got lost somewhere, but this can do the job. As I said before, you can work on it. I've missed this meal, so very traditional, very filling. So yeah, this is how it is. So the more it boils like that, the more you need to add more of the flour. And make sure you stay away from that boiling water because it can actually burn you. So yeah, so quickly you have to stir it to make like a paste. You keep on stirring like that. Yeah, make a thick paste. So this is how you cook ugali. I would have next time I'll cook another one and I'll demonstrate using the real cooking stick. But for now, you can see what I'm doing. Just keep on turning this paste all over. Just make sure that this maize flour is completely, how do I say it? They're all together in one piece. So if you want it to be more thick, you can add a little bit of the maize meal, but for now I can see that that is enough. So you just keep on stirring like this. Like that, and make sure it doesn't stick at the bottom. So if you are cooking for a big family, make sure that you have muscles. You need to be strong. You need to have strong hands on this one. But if you're cooking for two, like me, it's easy. So you keep on turning it. Make sure that the lumps are dissolved. No lumps. So when the lumps, you don't see any lumps around, you just need to, now you just let it now cook. You reduce the heat, like that. Hello. So on to the last thing to do is my kale. Just put it on top of the lamb, and then cover it. Just let it simmer, and then you turn it after it's already gone down, shrink. So when it will shrink. So for the ugali, it's almost done. Keep on turning it from the bottom to come, the bottom one to come up, and the other one. Like you keep on turning to make sure that all the meal is evenly cooked. All right. So ugali is all done now. It's ready to serve. Okay. So that is the meal. I've already served it in a small bowl. The camera doesn't actually show how green my greens are. It shows like it's black, but it's very green because I just steamed it. So this is the ugali and the stew. Thank you for watching. See you next time.